The hidden vulnerability. 5 phone settings you must turn off now. There's a setting hidden inside your phone right now that security agencies have quietly been warning people about. It is on by default on almost every device, quietly exposing you to scams, tracking, and data theft. This is not some conspiracy. It is documented by privacy researchers and official security advisors. Most people assume that if a setting mattered for their privacy, it would be front and center. In reality, the most important settings are buried 3 or 4 menus deep, worded in boring technical language, so you never go looking for them. By the time we are done, you will understand why these settings have been sitting on your device without you ever being asked for your consent. The first big setting is your advertising ID. Think of it like a license plate bolted onto your phone. Every app you install can read this unique string of letters and numbers and attach the data it collects to it. A shopping app knows you like running shoes. A weather app knows your location. A game knows when you are bored. Combined, these pieces build a detailed picture of your life, where you work, what you buy, and even who you spend time with. This is the engine behind the multi-billion-dollar advertising industry and the primary tool for scammers to run targeted phishing campaigns. On iPhone, go to Privacy and Security, then Tracking, and turn off Allow apps to request a track. On Android, go to Settings, Privacy, and select Delete Advertising ID. The second setting is your background location history. Even if you turn off location for a specific app, your phone keeps a running log of every place it considers meaningful, like your home or workplace. On iPhone, this is called Significant Locations, buried under Location Services and System Services. On Android, it is your location history or timeline within your Google account. This data forms a routine that turns a random target into a predictable one. It is the kind of information requested in legal proceedings or exposed in server breaches. Take 30 seconds to find these menus and switch them off. Your phone does not need to remember every bill you have entered for the last 6 months. The third setting is one that even IT professionals miss: Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Both iPhone and Android have a feature that keeps these radio scanning for nearby beacons even when you think you've switched them off. Retailers and airports use these beacons to track foot traffic and see how long you linger near a display. To stop this on iPhone, go to System Services and turn off Wi-Fi networking and Bluetooth scanning. On Android, look under Location Services for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. While this might make your Maps app take an extra second to find you indoors, it is a fair trade for preventing physical tracking in public spaces. The fourth step is a permission audit. We often allow apps access to our camera, microphone, or contacts in a rush moment during setup. These permissions almost never expire. A calculator does not need your microphone, and a flashlight does not need your contacts. Go through your permission manager on Android or Privacy and Security on iPhone and revoke anything that isn't essential. Finally, build a simple habit. Fully power off your phone at least once a week. This clears out zero-click exploits that live in your device's temporary memory. A full shutdown forces everything to reload from scratch, clearing out opportunistic malware that a simple restart might miss. Please subscribe so you will be notified of new uploads. Press the like button. It helps our algorithm. Thanks for watching.